Honey, you can't tell me I ain't got bundles up in this. Bundles for days. Welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review. Okay? I am doing a half wig, a human hair blend half wig. Okay? By Bobbi Boss Miss Origins. Okay? And the style name is Jerry Curl in a color 1B. Alright, let's look at the cap construction on this wig. And also, before we do that, here are other styles in the human hair blend. Got wavy, straight. Okay. Alright, let's get started. Okay. This one has two combs in the front. Okay, and I believe they put those two on the sides in order for it to be flatter at the top. I believe that's the case, because most of the times it just have that long band all the way across on the older half wigs. But on the newer ones, they're making them with two separated in the front. Okay? It has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Okay. This is how it looks. Look how gorgeous these curls look. Looks like bundles. Yes, it does. Looks pretty realistic. And it has human hair mixed with it, so that's probably why it looks more like human hair. Alright, let's get this wig on my head. Alright, I got her on and she is popping, honey. This wig is lit. She is lit, all the way lit. Okay, yeah, this is so beautiful. Moving up, moving up. Okay, she is gorgeous. So, it's a close-up of those beautiful curls on this wig. Okay, let's see. She do sheds pretty badly. Okay, this is running through just a little bit, so that is a con right there. It sheds pretty bad. Alright, so you know it tangles as well. But for $18, which you can't expect too much more than that. I mean, it's pretty, I definitely recommend it for the price, because it looks really natural and it is gorgeous. That's okay with the shedding. She got enough hair to lose a few strands. Ain't gonna hurt. Okay, I'm doing a 360. This is the back. Okay. Very beautiful, soft hair. Gorgeous. I am definitely gonna have to go in and get her in the other colors that's available. Comes in a lot of beautiful colors, like an ombre copper, ombre 613, well 3613. So it's all kinds of different colors that it has. Right here. If you all can see that. Okay. Oh my goodness, this wig is so bomb, y'all. Okay, so you definitely can go in and style her like in a little ponytail at the back. If you want to do something like that, put a little bun at the top. Oh my. Yes! I done got my wig life all the way together with this unit. Yes, yes, yes. I definitely recommend it. This is so soft and gorgeous. Yes. I just keep playing it. I can't keep my fingers out of this wig. Just making it bigger and bigger. Bigger and bigger, honey. And I love big hair, so that ain't an issue with me. Yes, I love it. Simply love it. Can wear it all pulled to the side. Keep your neck from being all hot and sweaty back there. Simply gorgeous. Okay, princesses, that pretty much wraps it up for this wig review. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to this channel, please don't hesitate to join the Royal Princess Beauty TV family. You are welcome, more than welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe. Also like, comment, and share. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.